Alright, we got the Jackery 1500. We're going to turn on the DC outlet. This is the Vever 5K diesel heater. It's one of the most common diesel heaters on the market today. Alright, so zero output. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Heat plug's going to start forward up. It jumped up to 118 watts. That's a good sign. 139. Another good sign. Power still on, fuel pump running, motor engaging. Working. Motor's running, pumping out fan heat. Yep, it works. 1500 works with the Vever 5K